Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete all chats in Copilot. Let's get straight into it. I'll be doing this via a web browser, which works on any device. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Privacy Dashboard. You can get there by going to privacy.microsoft.com or by searching for Microsoft Privacy Dashboard. Once the page loads, you'll see a privacy heading at the top with various activity sections below it. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with the Microsoft account you use for Copilot. Now, we need to navigate through a few sections to get to your Copilot chat history. Look for the privacy section in the main dashboard area. Click on it, then find and click on Empower Your Productivity. Within that section, you'll see Copilot selected. Next, click on your Copilot app activity history. Finally, select Copilot apps. This section should expand and you'll see options for managing your Copilot chat history. In the Copilot apps section, look for a link or button that says Delete All Activity History. Click on it. A dialog box will pop up asking if you're sure you want to clear your Copilot activity history. If you want to save a backup before deleting everything, you can also click Export All Activity History first. To confirm the deletion, click the Clear button in the dialog box. Once you click it, the dialog will close and your Copilot chat history will be removed from your account. Keep in mind that this deletion affects all devices where you use Copilot, since your history is synced across devices when you're signed in with the same Microsoft account. Also, once you delete your activity history, it can't be recovered, so make sure you're certain before clicking Clear. By default, Microsoft stores your conversation activity for 18 months. So if you haven't cleared your history before, you may have quite a bit of data stored. One last thing to note, this only clears your Copilot app chats. If you have Page or Notebook chats, you'll need to delete those separately by going into those sections directly. And there we go, your Copilot history is cleared. Thanks for watching. See you next time.